Hey guys, welcome to another edition of American Nomad. It's that guy from Reno, in Reno. Big surprise. I'm here at one of the gems of Reno, beautiful Mayberry Park. We're at about the 57-mile mark along the Truckee River. And as you can see, it is just a beautiful day to be out here. A lot to see and do. This is a good takeout and put-in spot as well for kayaking and alike. So we're going to scope it out just a bit, and we thank you for joining us. Mayberry Park truly is one of the gems of Reno, Nevada. I'm that guy from Reno, and welcome to Mayberry Park. It's June 16th, 2019. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Both my boys are in different states, so I thought I'd treat myself and get out and celebrate at beautiful Mayberry Park. It's incredibly accessible and hidden at the same time, which makes it a wonderful place to visit. This river park is a beautiful day use facility with various individual picnic sites and group picnic areas as well. Nothing's reservable, it's just a day use area. There's a paved bike path, hiking trails, Truckee River fishing access, bird and wildlife watching that is just really astounding. Be sure to take a look at the link in the description, because the diversity of flora and fauna out here is really astounding. There's hiking, biking, of course, river tubing is very popular. Handicap accessibility is really great. It's relatively flat out here, so it's a great place to trail run. And the park is located just 4 miles west of Reno at the end of Woodland Avenue, which is accessible off of Highway 80. If you've never been here before, I highly recommend it. It's definitely a local's favorite. And if you go out there, just be prepared for a good time. If you bring your kids and you're going to be playing by the water, you have to have a life jacket. It's really that simple. Especially this time of year with all the fresh snow melt. The Truckee River is just moving at a really incredible pace, and the water is incredibly cold. So, please play and enjoy it responsibly. And if you have little ones with you, they have to have life jackets, as everybody should. And don't take your eyes off of the kids for a second. That being said, one of the reasons why I went out here today is to launch my DJI Spark Drone. I'm a relatively new drone pilot, using it for the channel, and I was incredibly impressed with it today. For those of you who are interested in drones, that little drone is so impressive. It was quite windy today, very pleasant. It was in the mid 80s, but the winds were about 8 to 13 miles an hour with maybe gusts as high as 20. And that little drone, the DJI Spark Drone, remained stable the entire time. I'm definitely looking forward to getting out and kayaking this section of the Truckee River. So anybody that's seeing this and has some experience around IK kayaking, specifically this area, please leave me a comment or IM me. Thanks for joining us today for this short segment of American Nomad featuring Mayberry Park, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. We'll see you next time.